Yo, what is going on YouTube? If you found this video because you're searching for driving Empire codes in 2026, then look no further than this video. I've managed to find some brand new codes for Roblox driving Empire. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos, and you're probably the same, and you're aware that most codes are either expired or they give you very little resources. I've managed to find probably the best driving Empire codes that are going to get you free cars, you can get tons of free money, and they're by far better than any other codes that I tried. So before I show you these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always creating updated videos for driving Empire codes. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile internet browser. You use your mobile phone to get these codes and then you redeem them in your game. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type that in, copy it the same into your mobile internet, and it's going to bring you to Crash Coupons. Now, this is an absolutely awesome site. If you haven't seen these before, you're in for a treat, because they don't only have driving Empire codes, they have loads of other Roblox games as well. So use the search bar, and in the search bar, just type it correctly, driving Empire, and what it's going to do, it's going to pop up this page. Now, there are only a couple of verified working codes for driving Empire, but these codes are definitely better than any others you've seen. So scroll down, you can get a code for 10 million free cash, and you can get a code to unlock all cars for free in driving Empire. So that's an awesome one. I'm just going to select the money code. I've already done this, and it does limit one code per person. So this will just be an example of what you need to do. I won't unlock a code just because I don't want to waste a code. You can see they are limited. And it's going to find a valid code and allocate you one. Now, as you can see, you need to unlock your driving Empire code. So the full code will be blurred and sort of like hidden. So this basically limits one code per person. So click on this button to get your personal driving Empire code. And you just need to follow the instructions you see on this page here, guys. It is really easy, so don't panic. It just says here, complete 2 of the free offers below to basically unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So all you need to do, guys, is follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks on this page. And these are all free. And they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games, answering surveys. Just follow the instructions. You can see there is a synopsis telling you how to complete each task. And once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your driving Empire code will be unlocked and fully revealed here. And this one's going to give you 10 million free cash. You can get all cars as well. So go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.